Hey guys, a very happy new year. Today we'll be making this greeting card. I'm starting with prepping the wood panel. Let's start by sanding it. I'm applying the masking tape. Let's start by applying a thick coating of molding paste. You can apply putty if that's cheaper for you. That's a cheaper alternative. Once it dries out, you can remove the masking tape. Generally, the molding paste takes 3 to 5 hours to dry out. I'll be using a heat gun to blow out the excess material on my medium. I'm using acrylic markers for my borders, silver and golden, using a very basic design. Now I'm using sandpaper to smoothen out my design. I'm gently rubbing it. Again, I'll be using a heat gun to remove the excess waste material. This is the leafing material to stick the gold leaf on my surface. It's easily available on Amazon. Apply a thin layer on the surface. Now I'm carefully applying my gold leaf. Don't rush it. I'm using an acrylic marker to write the font on my wood panel greeting card. You can use it to write whatever quote you'd like. Again, it's easily available on Amazon. Be careful while using it, sometimes it ends up leaking. I'll give the link of all the products that I've used in this greeting card in my description box below. You can check it out. Make sure to use a clean brush when you're removing the excess gold leaf. That is very important. Clean and fresh brush. You're almost done. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section what do you think. Thank you so much for watching.